Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Kia Sportage battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. Before touching anything, identify the negative battery terminal, which is typically marked with a minus symbol. This crucial first step ensures a safe working environment for the entire process. Now grab a 10mm wrench. You'll use this to loosen the nut on the negative battery terminal. Always remove the negative cable first. This prevents any accidental electrical shorts. Once the negative cable is safely out of the way, proceed to loosen and remove the positive cable. Remember, the positive terminal is usually marked with a plus symbol. Take your time with each connection. With both cables disconnected, it's time to address the battery hold down. This is usually a clamp or strap located at the base of the battery, securing it in place. Use the appropriate wrench to loosen and completely remove this hold-down mechanism. Once it's free, carefully lift the battery straight out of its tray. Be aware that car batteries are quite heavy, so lift with your legs, not your back. Before installing a new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the cable terminals. Look for any signs of corrosion or damage on the cables themselves. A clean connection ensures optimal performance. When you're ready to install the new battery, place it securely in the tray and fasten the hold-down mechanism tightly. Remember to connect the positive cable first, then the negative cable, for a safe and proper installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.